Good morning, students. Let's start with the revision of fifth question from the exercise 14A. Okay. So, exercise 14A, question number fifth. Fine. Question number fifth is how many slabs of cement are required to tile a platform of length 8 meter and breadth 6 meter. Okay. If the length of each slab is 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Now, students, stop writing everyone. Put your whole concentration on understanding the concept first. Okay. After that, I will give you time for writing. In this question, we have two things. One is slab and second is platform. Okay. So one side you will write slab and on second side you will write platform. Fine. No one will write now. Stop writing everyone. Check next. Platform of length 8 meter and breadth 6 meter. Okay. Platform of length 8 meter and breadth 6 meter. This information is given to you and this information is for platform. Clearly mentioned in your book, platform of length 8 meter and breadth 6 meter. Fine. Next is, if the length of each slab is, if the length of each slab is, so the length of slab is 4 centimeter and breadth of slab is 3 centimeter. Now, this information is given to you. Okay? This information is given in the book. Yes, stand up, beta. According to you, tell me, how can we solve this sum? Stand up. First of all, we will find out what rest of the students write down in the chat box. Arpit Kaur, write down your reply in the chat box. Yes. First of all, as two dimensions are given, as two dimensions are given, one is length and second is breadth. So which concept is applicable here? Which concept is applicable if two dimensions are given? Very good, area. As two dimensions are given, one is length and second is breadth. So the concept of area is applicable. So we will find out the area. Area is equal to 4 length multiplied by breadth. 4 multiplied by 3 will give you 12 centimeter square. This thing. Okay? Sit down. Yes, stand up. What about this? What's your name? Kavan, na? Kavan, sit down. Yes, you. According to you, what about this thing? Platform. Length is in 8 meter and breadth is 6 meter. Very good. As the units are different, slab is in centimeter and platform is in meter. Students, no need to write anything. I am saying again and again, revision is going on. आपने पहले से ये लिखा हुआ है. Put your concentration on understanding the question. Don't waste your time in writing. Stop writing everyone. ये मैं पहली बार थोड़े ना करवा रही हूँ, ये मैंने करवाया हुआ है. रिवीजन इज गोइंग ऑन. लिखोगे तो समझोगे कैसे? अगर लिखी जाओगे ना समझ नहीं आएगा. Again and again I am saying stop writing, stop writing. Now this is meter. Okay, meter. First of all we will change meter to centimeter. Stand up. Now to change meter to centimeter, what will you do? Tell me. This is meter, but the slab is in centimeter. तो हमें इसको भी सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करना है. How? How can we change meter to centimeter? Yes, last boy. Very good, very good. In 1 meter, as we know, in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. Yesterday we have done, na? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here, 8 multiplied by 100 and you will get 800 centimeter. Similarly, 6 multiplied by 100 and you will get 600 centimeter. Clear? This thing is clear to you? As the slab is in centimeter, but the platform is in meter. So first of all, you will change meter to centimeter, multiplication with 100. Because of this relation, in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. Now we will find out the area of platform. Area is length multiplied by breadth. So 800 multiplied by 600. And after multiplication, you will get, yes, stand up. After multiplication, you will get what? 8 multiplied by 6. 8 6 are 8 6 are, no need of pen. 8 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48, not 42. Revise tables. Yes, 8 6 are 48 along with 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 centimeter square. Okay. Now the question is, find the how many slabs. How many slabs? It means number of slabs. So here you will write number of slabs. Number of slabs is equal to, now tell me, platform is bigger or slab is bigger? Platform is bigger, na? So here in the numerator you will write area of platform. Area of platform divided by area of a slab. Like this. Area of platform divided by area of a slab. Now put the values. Divided by, this is 12 centimeter square. Now do the cancellation. Do the cancellation. Centimeter square, cut. 1 centimeter in the numerator, 1 centimeter in the denominator. So centimeter square, cut. Now in the table of 12, 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. So this is 4 along with 4 zeros. Along with 4 zeros. This is the result. And you will not write here centimeter square. Centimeter square in division, cut. Okay. So number of slabs is equal to area of platform divided by area of a slab. Always write bigger in the numerator and smaller in the denominator. Keep in your mind, to solve the sum, in both the parts, units must equal, must same. If the units are not same, then you have to make conversion. Yes? Good. Now note down. All of you note down. Now note down. After writing, tell me. Then I will start next question. Okay? Write down. Write down all of you. पृथ्वीनूर डन? कब लिखा? मैंने मना किया था ना लिखने को पहले. After this, come to the exercise 14B. Okay, 14B exercise. Students, if you have done, then start reading question number 4th from the exercise 14B. Question number 4th from the exercise 14B. Yes. Fourth question from the exercise 14B is, a brick measures 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Which information is given to you? A brick measures. Fine. Raymond Sharma, unmute yourself. Raymond Sharma, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, Raymond, 14B, fourth question, a brick measures 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. According to you, what is this 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter?
Ma'am, they are the 3 dimensions of brick.
Very
Given
good.
information of the brick.
Yes. So, in 14.B, in 14B, fourth question, a brick measures 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. What is 20 centimeter? 20 centimeter is the length. What is 10
Length.
centimeter? 10 centimeter is the breadth. What is 3.5 centimeter? Height. And these are the dimensions of what? Clearly mentioned in your book, a brick measures. So here you will write brick. Okay. Length is 20 centimeter. Breadth is 10 centimeter. And height is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Now, Raymond, next information is?
Dimensions of wall.
How many bricks will be required for a wall of dimensions? A wall, it means here you will write wall of dimensions. What is the meaning of dimensions? Yes, students, tell me. किनको बोलते हैं dimensions? Sana, you are writing here volume. No, volume को बोलते हैं dimensions. किसको बोलते हैं dimensions? Length, breadth, height.
Breadth.
लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट का अगर मैं दूसरा नेम पूछूं आपसे तो आप क्या बोलोगे? डायमेंशंस. सना आप यहाँ लिख रहे हो वॉल्यूम. डायमेंशंस वॉल्यूम होता है. डायमेंशंस मींस लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट. सो इन वॉल आल्सो लेंथ इज गिवन 25 meter, breadth is given 2 meter and height is given 0.35 meter. Yes, good. Next is Sana. Sana, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sana, tell me, according to you, this question is based on which concept? Concept of area or concept
Ma'am,
of volume?
ma'am, in the chat box, ma'am, I am saying this is the concept of volume is applicable.
Yes, very good. What is the reason why the concept of area is not applicable in this question?
मैम बिकॉज एरिया में मैम 2 डायमेंशंस होती है और मैम वॉल्यूम में 3 होती हैं.
Very good. Well done. The way, now students, listen to me very, very carefully. The method to solve this sum is same as the method that we have already used in previous question. Okay, same. In previous question, here you have slab and on right hand side you have platform. In this question, you have brick and you have wall. सेम मेथड मैंने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में भी ऐसे ही किया था ना. एक साइड पे मैंने स्लैब को लिखा था, सेकंड साइड पे मैंने किसको लिखा था, प्लेटफॉर्म को. इसमें मैं एक साइड पे लिख रही हूँ ब्रिक को, दूसरी साइड पे लिख रही हूँ वॉल. Method to solve the sum is same. The only difference is concept. If 2 dimensions are given, then you will apply the concept of. If 3 dimensions are given, then you will apply the concept of. Okay? Only this thing. So here volume is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into, put the values. Length is 20, breadth is 10 and height is 3.5. Now tell me, how can we solve this sum? As decimal is given here, 3 decimal 5. Yes, yes, yes. Tell me. Very good. We will remove the. Well done. This is 3 decimal 5. After decimal, we have 1 decimal place. This is decimal. After decimal, we have 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place means whenever you will remove the decimal, you will write 10 in the denominator. Okay. So this is 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 35 upon 10. Like this. Now, do the cancellation. Cancellation is possible here. Students, tell me. Cancellation is possible here. Yes, cancellation is possible here. Look, 0, 10, 10, 10, 10. So, cut. 10, 10, cut. Cancellation is possible. Now, multiply 20 with 35. 20 multiplied by 35. And tell me what is the result. 20. Yes, do the multiplication. 700. What 700? 700 centimeter, 700 centimeter square or 700 centimeter cube? Very good. 700 centimeter cube. Very good. Unit is very much compulsory as this sum is based on the concept of volume. So here you will write the unit of volume. Okay. Don't write centimeter here or centimeter square. Centimeter is the unit of perimeter. Centimeter square is the unit of area. But this is the question which is based on the concept of volume. So you will write centimeter power 3. Okay. Now come here. Tell me, how can we solve this? Very good. Very good. Yes. Next is any students who want to reply this, raise your hand. Students who want to reply this question, raise your hands. Yes. Disha. Disha, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Disha, tell me, how can we solve this?
Ma'am, first we for volume is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height.
No, beta, directly length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height is not applicable in this question. No. No, no. बेटा आई नो आपको आता है. गुड गुड वेरी गुड. यस हर्षिका. हर्षिका अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. यस Saksham. Saksham, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Saksham, tell me here length
Ma'am,
into directly we will apply the formula length into breadth into height.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, first of all, we will convert.
We will convert what?
Ma'am, because the unit. Ma'am, ma'am, the units that are given length, breadth, and height.
Length, breadth and height in meter, but the brick is in centimeter. So first of all, we will make the conversion. We will convert meter to centimeter. So this is 25 multiplied by 100, 2500 centimeter.
500.
Okay. Similarly, 2 multiplied by 100, 200 centimeter. Okay. This thing is clear? Very good, Saksham.
Yes.
Very good. Now, this is 0.35 multiplied by 100. Now tell me, how can we solve this? Yes.
And we will write
35 over 100. This is decimal. After decimal, 1, 2. How many decimal places? How many decimal places? It means you will write 35 upon 100 multiplied by 100. Okay? 100 cut. So this is 35 centimeter. Okay? Always count decimal places from this side. Okay, from this is decimal now. Always do the counting from this side. So here decimal, we have two decimal places, 1, 2. So this is 35 centimeter. Length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter, height is in centimeter. हो गए सारे centimeter में. Now we will find out the volume. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Now put the values. What is length? 2500. What is breadth? 200. What is height? 35. Now students, do the calculation and tell me the result after multiplication. Note down. I am going to take your attendance. Okay. Yes, students, note down. Very good, very good. Yes. Students, 1750 तो बेटा इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके आया. 1750 तो इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके आया. ये जीरोस भी तो लगानी है अभी आपने. हाउ मेनी जीरोस? 5. 17 नहीं 5 zeros. 1750 तो आपका इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके आ रहा है ना. ये भी तो है. 1 2 3 4. So 1750 1 2 3 4 centimeter power 3. हाँ 5 zeros ना. हाँ हाँ सेंटीमीटर. ये भी जीरोस. 4 zeros तो यहीं पे है बेटा. देखो 4 zeros तो यहीं पे है. वन, एक जीरो आपकी मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद आई 1750, एक आपकी मल्टीप्लाई करके आई 4 यहाँ पे है, तो टोटल कितने जीरोस हो गए? 5 हो गए ना। सो 175 जीरोस। खत्म हो गया ये सम, फिनिश। वेट वेट, हाँ जी स्टैंड अप बेटा, व्हाट्स योर नेम? प्राची, टेल मी, ये फिनिश हो गया सम? फिर अभी क्या करना है, क्या पढ़ा है यहाँ पे? वेयर इज योर बुक? देखो बुक में क्या लिखा हुआ, क्या करना है हमने? बेटा प्राची को बताने दो प्लीज। हाँ जी प्राची बताओ बेटा, क्या लिखा हुआ है बुक में? बुक में उन्होंने हमें ये तो बोला नहीं था वॉल्यूम फाइंड करो। बुक में उन्होंने हमें क्या बोला हुआ है? हाउ मैनी ब्रिक्स, हाउ मैनी ब्रिक्स। This question is not based on to find out the volume of brick or volume of wall. This question is based on how many bricks will be required for a wall. How many bricks will be required for a wall? So क्या लिखोगे अभी आप? Tell me. What is the last step? What is the last step? Tell me. Very good. We will write number of bricks. Yes. Number of bricks is equal to not area, volume. पेपर में भी मुझे पता है एरिया लिखाओगे, वॉल्यूम है ना, तो बिगर कौन है? वॉल। सो राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ ब्रेक। क्लियर? सिट डाउन, वेरी गुड। सो हियर यू विल राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वॉल डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ ब्रिक, अ ब्रिक। Volume of wall divided by volume of a brick. Now do the cancellation, calculation and tell me the result. Rest of the students write down in the chat box. Yes. Very good. Yes. Volume of wall. Yes, students, start writing. I am going to explain here. Okay? Yes. So this is 175 centimeter power 3, okay, divided by 700 centimeter power 3. Centimeter 3 cut. This is the result. 25,000 bricks. Yes. शरणप पृथ्वीनूर, शोमी और डिवीजन, आपने इसको डिवाइड कहाँ की है? शोमी, स्टार्ट राइटिंग। वेरी गुड। सो लाइक दिस वी विल सॉल्व द सम। बेटा आपने दोनों क्वेश्चंस में ऑब्जर्व किया, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, सेम मेथड से हमने दोनों को सॉल्व किया। द ओनली डिफरेंस इज वो हमारा एरिया का क्वेश्चन था तो हमने उसमें एरिया का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया। ये हमारा वॉल्यूम का क्वेश्चन है, हमने इसमें वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया। हाँ हाँ हाँ, स्लैब और प्लेटफॉर्म, और कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है। एरिया है, अप्लाई द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ एरिया। वॉल्यूम है, अप्लाई द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ वॉल्यूम। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट। Now come to the sixth question. Exercise 14B, sixth question. 14B exercise, sixth question. Done? Yes, all the students done. Tell me. Then I will start next. Note down. सेम है ना वो. अब बेटा मैंने आपको इस चैप्टर में से कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो रिवाइज नहीं किया हमने. ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट, पहले भी ये सारे क्वेश्चंस मैंने करवाए थे, मैंने दोबारा से फिर डिस्कस कर दिए. अब आपकी ड्यूटी है पढ़ना. अब पढ़ना तो मैंने नहीं है ना, पढ़ना तो आपने ही है ना. अब मेरा वर्क मैंने तो अपना 100% आपको डिवोट किया है. अब आपकी ड्यूटी है अच्छे से पढ़ के अच्छे मार्क्स लेने हैं. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द 6th क्वेश्चन. Question number 6. Yes. 6th question is a cuboidal iron piece of dimensions. क्या given है? A cuboidal iron piece. तो लिख लो यहाँ पे cuboidal iron piece. इन क्वेश्चंस में हमने अपनी मर्जी से कुछ नहीं लिखना. जो आपकी बुक में लिखा है वो हम लिखेंगे. आपकी बुक में लिखा हुआ है ना क्यूबॉइडल आयरन पीस. ओके, तो हमने लिख दिया क्यूबॉइडल आयरन पीस विद डायमेंशंस. डायमेंशंस मींस वेरी गुड. डायमेंशंस मींस लेंथ, ब्रेथ, हाइट. सो लेंथ इज गिवन टू यू 12 meter. Breadth is given to you 4 meter and height is given to you 40 centimeter. Okay, this information is given. Now come to the next. In next we have was 12 meter, 4 meter, 40 centimeter was melted into cubical iron pieces. Melted into cubical iron pieces. So here you will write cubical iron piece. Okay, this is cuboidal iron piece and this is cubical iron piece of side 4 centimeter. Side 4 centimeter. Fine. How many pieces were made? How many pieces were made? Now tell me student, how can we solve this sum? बिल्कुल. मीटर, मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, different units. बेटा sum solve. First of all, read your question very, very carefully. After that, write down the given information. Okay. After that, observe very, very carefully. हमारी units same हैं कि नहीं. If the units are same, then we will solve directly. But if the units are not same, then first of all, we will do the conversion. Meter, meter, centimeter. It means different units. With different units, we will not solve the sum. Now, this is 12 multiplied by 100, 1200 centimeter. 4 multiplied by 100, 400 centimeter. और ये तो पहले से ही सेंटीमीटर में है. हाइट ऑलरेडी इन सेंटीमीटर. हेयर क्यूबिकल आयरन पीस साइड ऑलरेडी इन सेंटीमीटर. नाउ कर ले, एरिया फाइंड कर ले हम. यस स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स एरिया फाइंड आउट कर ले हम. गुरप्रताप सिंह, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है ना. गुरप्रताप, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
गुड मॉर्निंग गुरप्रताप, इसमें हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है ना.
मैम हम तीसरे फाइंड आउट करने हैं मैम। वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है।
नहीं, मुझे तो लग रहा है एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, वॉल्यूम क्यों फाइंड आउट करना है? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
मैम क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्यूबॉइड लिखा है।
वेरी गुड।
मैम 6 क्वेश्चन में।
क्यूबॉइड,
मैम
क्यूबॉइड
वॉल्यूम।
और cubicle or 3 dimensions are given. First hint is cuboid or cubical word is given. Cuboid और cubical word area के लिए नहीं होते, ये वॉल्यूम के होते हैं. वेरी गुड गुरप्रताप, वेल डन, वेल डन. यस. एंड सेकंड इंडिकेशन इज, ये देखो 3 dimensions गिवन है. अगर क्यूबॉइडल और क्यूबिकल नहीं भी लिखा तो 3 dimensions तो है ना. So 3 dimensions means the concept of volume. So find out the volume of cubical iron piece. Start finding volume of length into breadth into height. So 1200 into 400 into 40. And here cubicle means cube, means all the sides are equal. So in volume you will write side multiplied by side multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 64 centimeter 3. And here what is the result after multiplication? Tell me. 1920. Bus. How many zeros? नहीं बेटा, 5 1 2 5 तो पहले ही है हमारे पास. Yes. So students, do the calculation, okay, in both the parts. कल मैं आपसे पूछूंगी what is the result of this part and what is the result of second part. So you will do by yourself, and rest we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.